In this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to make these subtitles in Premiere Pro that you see a lot in my intros. This is a highly requested video, so here we go. First off, switch to the Captions and Graphics interface, and then click on Text and create captions from transcript. Expand captioning preferences, and what I usually go for are these settings. 15 for minimum characters, 2 minimum duration in seconds, gap between captions is 0, and then for the lines, I like to have single lines. With these options, the subtitles will show up somewhat quickly. Before clicking OK, if you're happy with these settings, click on these dots and save these effects as a preset so you can quickly apply the same settings you have now for future sequences. Now click on Transcribe and create captions. So now, select your subtitles and change their font. I usually like to apply this font, link in the description below. Resize them to be about 100 in value, and change their position if you want, change their colors, etc. So this recording is going to be used for this today. But now for the animations, I advise you to not skip this part right here as it's very important. So we can't really add any motion graphics to these captions yet, but to fix that, select all of your subtitles and go to the Graphics and Titles menu, click on Upgrade Captions to Graphics. Now select the first text layer you have and go to the Effect Controls panel, and right on the first frame, change the scale setting to 80 and click on the stopwatch. Now move about 3 frames forward and reset the value back to 100. Select the keyframes and right-click them. Click on Ease In. And then expand this arrow right here and copy my exact graph to smooth up the animation. Let's go further and add some Gaussian blur onto this layer. For the first frame, change the blurriness to 50 and hit the stopwatch to make a keyframe. Go about 2 frames forward and reset the value. Now right-click your first text layer, click on Copy, then select all of your other layers, right-click them and choose Paste Attributes. Make sure to uncheck Scale Attribute Times in order to make the animation last the same duration for all of your captions no matter what size they are. And by the way, if this video gets 100 likes, I'll drop the presets for free. So now to add this floating effect as you see on the screen, select all of your subtitles and nest them all together. Select this nested sequence and in the effect controls, click on the stopwatch of the position setting. Go exactly 20 frames forward and change the position slightly. Go 20 frames forward and change the position again and again and again until you have enough keyframes. You can copy these initial keyframes by selecting them and hitting Ctrl+C and then pasting them with Ctrl+V to fill up the rest of the sequence. Again, leave a like on this video and I'll drop the presets for free once we reach 100 likes. Thank you all for your support. For the final part of this video, select these keyframes and basically right-click them and ease them in. That's how you create these awesome subtitles in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.